3 years ago, I talked about something new from Walmart in the healthcare industry. And it was a pilot done at only one Walmart store in the whole country. And Walmart, like many big companies, has been trying to crack the code on the enormous cost of healthcare, the world's highest, with terrible results overall, with declining life expectancy and overall health in the United States. And yes, I know we've had all the Clark stinks about how I have to also mention that Americans often have unhealthy habits and things like that. But I can tell you, I travel the world, and a lot of people don't have the healthiest habits around the world. I mean, we've got a problem in the United States with the extraordinary cost of health care and also the poor results. And the worst of all going on in the country right now, cost-wise, is what's going on with the big hospital systems trying to own particular metro areas. Nobody's really interested in hospitals in being national. They just want to own the market where they are and create as much of a monopoly or shared monopoly as they can to drive prices up. And nowhere is that more clear than if you go to a hospital emergency room, because the waits at hospital emergency rooms around the country keep lengthening. Typical wait, I think, is close to 3 hours now. And the cost of the bills, I think about some of the complaints we've had from people and questions involving a simple visit to an emergency room being $5,000 or more for something that if you just went to an urgent care might have been $100 or so. Well, Walmart is the nation's largest employer, and they've been doing a lot of experimentation in providing health care to their employees and along with their employees, the general public. And Walmart's doing something I talked about recently where they're doing the virtual appointments like Amazon, but much cheaper than Amazon. And I went to visit when I first talked about this years ago, the first pilot Walmart location to offer what they call Walmart Health. And now they've opened 32 of them, which is not very many. And the states they're in, Arkansas, their home state, Florida, Texas, Illinois, and Georgia. And their intention is to open another 17 over the next 90 days. So this is an area of growth for them. And what they offer at these places is transparent pricing for a huge variety of medical services, dental services, and mental health therapists, all in these Walmart health facilities. And so what they do is they take some of the square footage of an existing Walmart supercenter and then add on square footage as well, and they build a very approachable health facility. And you go to the entryway, and there's a big monitor with prices explicit for everything you do there. Now think about that if you go to an urgent care center. And I'm glad there are urgent care centers for a number of reasons. But a lot of times they're seeing the same kind of stuff that like at a CVS health hub where you'd see a nurse practitioner, or if you go to one of these Walmart health facilities, a lot of the things you're seeing aren't true urgent events, but they're an illness or a problem or whatever. And the prices are clear as could be. Used to be that way at the CVS ones, but not anymore. The prices are much more opaque at the CVS facilities. So they're not as good as they were before, but they're still a good place to go. The Walmart ones, on the other hand, if you're in a store where you see a sign for Walmart Health, look at what they display, where you see exactly what various forms of dental care, health care, and mental health care, what you'll pay for them. And this is what the marketplace needs. We need the ability for people who either don't have insurance or face significant out-of-pockets even when they have insurance, maybe don't have a primary care doctor because of the extreme shortage of primary care physicians in the United States, and then somebody's sick, somebody's not doing well, being able to see that professional at a price that you recognize you can afford and you, more important, know what it will be is a great thing. So I hope that this continues to thrive in the Walmart environment. And I wouldn't care who does it. We just need this in America, and we don't have it right now in the number of places that we need.